from the command center in Minnesota, JW Solar USA. Today I decided to put these batteries in action. So these are 8 lithium iron phosphate batteries, 94 amp hours each. So I have 4 in series, 3 strings of 4 in parallel. So it's a 4S 3P. 4S 3P. So this is what I've done here to run this 12 volt system. I just want to make sure that I energize these batteries. Right here you can see the system is running. We have lights in the house, and we have a freezer and a family size freezer and an upright freezer running simultaneously. So if you do the math here, 13.3 times 48, that will tell you exactly how much watts we're pulling. Okay, so we're running the Magnum MM 1212. It's a 12 volt 1200 watts. Here we go. So we have a lot of these Magnums, about 4 of them. So we have the MMS 1012s and MM 1212. So it's running. Connection is right here. Hook this one up and it's going. Just want to show you guys and see how everything is running here. We'll see how this thing is gonna run probably till tomorrow or so, because I want to try to energize these batteries. They're brand new cells. These are the EV something. I'll post them on the description below. And don't forget, if you want something of this nature, you can go to my affiliates link on the description below. Click on that one, and that will give you a discount if you buy through my link. Plus, the company will give you another discount. Okay, and don't forget, you have to check my other affiliates links there. I got a couple of them now. You can able to buy some tools and meters and all that stuff. So it's coming up soon. I'm gonna be doing a review on that product. Look it up. I'm not gonna call in the video. I want you to look it up on description below and click on any of those links, and you can enjoy a coupon. Make sure there is a coupon code there. Use it. That coupon code will give you a good discount. Okay, so if you buy from that link, you're helping the channel as well, as this particular company is gonna give about 15%, something like that. So I want you to go ahead and exercise your right and your power and your money to buy something, and you can get a very good unbelievable discount from that company. And we have a review coming from that company, and we're going to be utilizing soon here before maybe Black Friday. There's a whole bunch of stuff coming, new things, new reviews, new affiliates from different companies. So they decided to give me this offer, and I don't want to pass the offer just because of you guys, and I want you guys to enjoy it. And you've been with me for so long on this channel, and I want you to enjoy every single penny or every single opportunity they can pass to me. I can pass it back to you guys. All right? Yeah, don't forget to like and subscribe and share this video on all your platforms, social media, and we will see you back on the next video pretty soon. Don't forget to watch the video before this one with the Vivo 5 kVA 48 volt, 230 watt, 230 volts international. So all you international guys, you would love that video. And we're gonna do a review. Well, we already did a review. We're gonna do a test, and we're gonna see all kind of batteries I showed you guys on the video, which is the Winston battery, the lithium iron phosphate, and we're gonna be bringing live on that test. So today I promised to bring you guys a video, but I was unable to bring the video because I have to go to Clem's house. You guys remember Clem, the guy with the steel roof top with a bond and has about 12 modules up there, and you guys have seen the grid tie system I've created there before. So stay tuned for that video. Is coming up tomorrow because we're gonna commence that system again. Well, we did an upgrade and we changed locations, bring the inverter from the barn to the garage. I think you'll like that. Okay, maybe I'll add a video, the picture on this video so that you can see, or maybe we can just wait for tomorrow. Like and subscribe, JW Solar USA. Thanks for watching, and we're going through these tests. I told you guys, I said 2023 is all about batteries. We're talking about lithium batteries, all kind of batteries, and we have more of these coming soon as we kind of playing with different topics here, and we don't even know exactly which one to tackle. We just keep on going, just keep on doing things as we go. I hope you like what you see, and don't forget to like our videos and share. Bye bye.